Budweiser beer, the choice of beer for your cat.
The beer of choice. Budweiser beer, #1 with cats everywhere. Even your finicky cat. After all, it is better than catnip. It's even better than cat treats. It reigns supreme over a tummy rub. It is delicious even to the last delectable drop. Your kitty will love you forever and treat you with the respect you deserve. Or at least until the beer is gone. Good luck after that. After all, we are dealing with cats. But just watching them is positively delightful. Caution, risk of cat turning into lush. Use with extreme care.